How y'all doing today? I'm Cajun.
And I'm Creole.
Together we are the Creoljun Contessas.
We're sisters, creating, preparing, and sharing Creole and Cajun inspired recipes that our mama taught us.
Using a cooking style we call good lovin' from the oven. Now let's get started. This recipe is a scrumptious, no fuss, must chili with a just right down-home taste. So let's get started on our spicy southern chicken chili. Ladle the chili into bowls and garnish with crushed tortilla chips, shredded Monterey Jack cheese, sour cream, and cilantro. This chili is also great with cornbread. There y'all have it, straight from the bayou, our spicy Southern chicken chili. Just right for chasing away the chill or just to bring a bit of home into your heart. And remember, when you mix a little bit of Creole with a little bit of Cajun, that's good eating. Yes, indeed. Good loving from the oven.
If you like this video and want to see more Cajun and Creole inspired yummies, please subscribe and like. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss future videos. And don't forget to visit our website, Pinterest, and Instagram at the Creoljun Contessas. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see y'all next time.